Hey everybody, today is me, Rashad. Rashad down with the Dorsey, and today I'm at Engine One, checking out some more broken down trucks, as y'all know. So let's get started. Let's name all the trucks. Let's get started. Well, we're naming these two. Name the cars. Okay, right here is Inspector, the ones who come at investigations. Inspector 755. Who arrives at investigations after Hard Rock Hotel collapse. Right here is Squirt 25. It's now Squirt 1. Was Squirt 1, but now it's going to be Squirt 16, and they're going to be fixing this. This is ladder 13. This is ladder 13, or ladder Pierce 13. Back in 1975. You know, good. And they had the engines, and this is engine 18, engine 18, 2014 to 2016. Engine 10 to the same exact thing as this one. Yeah, but it's different. Well, it's the same pump. It's kind of the same pump. Some of them got different, lights on top, and, so these are two of the same pumps, and the back is a little bit different as the pumps they got over here, so it's not really unusable. But right here is old supply shop that used to respond to calls, but now it's not. This has been retired. They really doesn't use it anymore, so this has been retired. No one uses it anymore. So this is supply shop 422. Sorry about that. Here it is, supervisor, old supervisor car. This is supervisor 560. He's at headquarters right now. I think he's not in a different car or anything, but he's, this is how it goes, But his car is here. He might be at headquarters at Engine 29. So yeah. Right here is a pickup truck. Pickup truck 510. So yeah. As y'all know, that's Engine 10. Engine 10 is beautiful. Engine 10 is a beautiful truck right there. That's an old truck though. It's an American LaFrance. 3 trucks. So this is what I'll tell you guys what these are. Okay, right here is American LaFrance. Right here is a Pierce. Well, American LaFrance still a Pierce, but it's called really American LaFrance. This is a Pierce, American LaFrance. So now, so you guys know that the inspector investigations on duty anytime they come. Sometimes they'll inspect the house, how many times it's been burnt. And that's how great it is. It's beautiful. And it looks just like a Chiefs car, but it's more differently than that. But yeah, as y'all see the word inspector. Squirt 1. Squirt 1. Get the discharges. This is the this is the way it goes, But yeah. Y'all see that? I know y'all see that. It was great, right? It's inside. This is what it looks like. That's how they mostly all look like. Well, not really. There's shit in here. See how old that is? 1975. What that say? Oh, this truck is gonna get picked up. Oh, wait, picked up. Medical. Oh, the truck broke down. Yeah. This broken down truck, but this truck, so I think the truck was on medical, and soon as soon as they got from the medical, it broke down. Okay, yeah, now I know what they're saying. Hey, New Orleans Fire Department. Need a smoke detector? Ask a firefighter. www. NOLA, right here. See, look. NOLA. Number is 504-658-4714. So it goes. Hope y'all like that. See how small this cab is? Cab is sitting here, but it's small. It sure is small. This way, press the air horn. Captain, press the air horn right here. Siren and the air horn. You know, sirens up there, but they make sure that nothing's really available. But yeah. So I'll just go to the store. That's how beautiful it is. This door, you know. And I don't see the side there. This might be locked, I don't know, but this is squirt 1. Oh, y'all see the inside. The inside is the same thing on the other trucks too. They're basically the same. They're mostly the same thing. So yeah, I might don't want to open the door right here because wait, let me see. See if I got room. Oh yeah, I sure do. What the hell is that? Is that the thing for the wheel? Wow, they took that off. That shit is crazy. It's basically the same thing, but that's how old this goddamn thing is. It's basically the same thing too. Well, not exactly, but yeah. I don't know if I got enough room, but I'm about to see. Let me see. What y'all think? They got enough room? Yeah, okay. Got old Terror runs in here. If y'all never read this, I can read it to you guys. This is what it comes in. 16, engine 16. Well, it's really not 16. It's engine 18. Engine 16 was using this. So what is this? Medical run. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we don't got a room on that side by engine 10. You don't got no room on there by engine 10. I'm just showing y'all the inside, but nope. I'm afraid we don't have any room right here. We don't have any room right here or right there. So, wait, let me see something. Okay, yeah, we got a little bit of room. But yeah, door can't really open that far out. Can't really open that far out. See that? This is what they pull for, you know, it's a connect hose. It connects, you know, to an hydrant. The engine 10 door, let me see. Yeah, it can open a, you know, little. See how it goes all the way to here? And unblock. But yeah, here it is. This is how it is. But everything on the truck is basically the same thing. See that? Basically same thing. And so engine 10 is a Engine 10 get a lot of vehicles out there. And I hope they're doing very well with that. It's like this door doesn't open. Oh yes it does. Yes. You see that? Yeah. That's how they work the lights in the back. See, I'll show you guys. Climb up here with me. See, look. You know those yellow lights that's in the back? Yeah. You see, this is what they do. They will hit this. It will hit one of these buttons. Sometimes they will turn it that way. Look, see, like that. And it'll work. And this is how they turn all the lights on the top of the pump. Just get down. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of Rashad Dorsey's Rescue Squad, Heavy Rescue Squad. If you guys ever want to see any more of my videos, I'll be getting some more videos. And I'm still going to be catching the house on the West Bank, like Engine 20, Engine 33, Ladder 6, and Engine 40. I'm sorry. I mean, not 40. I caught 40. I mean, let me just say it again. Engine 17. Engine 33 and Ladder 6 and Engine 20. So yeah, that's the station I'm going to be catching. Well, if you guys did enjoy this video of Broken Down Trucks Network, if you guys do love this, tune in and subscribe and like these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy. So, see you guys later. 507's out. Peace.